medical insurance versus investment in health in Kundalini Awakening journey. I will give you the clear-cut answer here that you need to invest in your health, and the medical insurance that you are doing because of recklessly handling your health is not a good decision. First of all, when you do medical insurance, you are in fear that you will get unhealthy, you will get diseased, and you need lot of money for the hospitalization and other things. If you practically think about the monetary aspects of handling your medical fee and other charges, and you compare it with investment in your health, you will find that being healthy is the best option, and always better to invest in your health by giving yourself the right environment which is required for you in your Kundalini Awakening journey. Kundalini is natural energy. It is the force which will not allow you any medications, any artificial injections and other things, and it has been my experience that you spend a lot of money in removing the symptoms of Kundalini due to neurosis and other things like IBS, fibromyalgia, and all these issues do not have any solution in the medical science. So if you are watching this video at the end of your Kundalini Awakening journey, where you have already spent millions of rupees in your insurance premium, and you have been hospitalized time and again and not got any solution from it, then this is the time for your awakening. You should calculate clearly how much do you pay for your premium and how much that the money that you have paid for your premium, if you keep it aside and invest in your health by giving yourself exposure to traveling to good places with good air quality. For example, like this kind of place which is in the mountains, the green zone, which is filled with fresh oxygen, fresh prana, the sunlight is falling directly on me, you have access to open sky, you can see clearly the blue sky and also the white clouds. This means that, and also the dark greenery, the vegetation here, everything is indicative of a good natural place where the air quality is good. If you live in a fresh place like this, it needs a lot of investment. So your health investment should go directly into finding the right place for you, and you should avoid paying the premium unnecessarily, and that requires a simple math. Sit down with your portfolio of investment and calculate where you are spending. If you are unhealthy, you are otherwise also spending too much on your cravings. When you live a healthy life, you don't need much. Ultimately, you are an instinctive being, and Kundalini is making you healthier. So, Kundalini wants you to live a healthy life, invest in places, invest in yourself in a more meaningful way, and this is what the answer is. If you have specific questions connected to your medical insurance premium or health issues which you are unable to calculate, then you can connect with me and then I will give you specific guidance. Alright? So live healthy and stop paying unnecessary premium. Thank you and bye-bye.